What have I done? This is going to be a big year. So for the big fuckers, got the RS3, 100 and something shot, I forget. We've got the Skyvandal XL, that is 632, followed by Dubai, 84, and the Joker, which is 504. We've got two big booms, they're 49 a piece. And we've got some little ones there, just for the sake of it. We've got VSR 4s for days. We've got Predators, there they are. That gives you an idea of how big they are. Now let's dive in. We've got the Ultimate Rocket Collection, followed by the Solar Rocket Collection, and the All-Night Party. Then we've got the Ionospheres, 2 packets of Mesospheres, and the Stratospheres, so that's the Holy Trinity that I need. Then we've got a selection of Hawk variants, Reapers, Mega Hawks, War Hawks, all sorts of mad shit. Mini Hawks, don't be fooled. Plenty of Reapers, plenty of punch. And now I just need to figure out how I'm going to get over here. Because we've got 2 packets of the nuts. Soaring Tigers, a couple Kings buried in there. We all know what the King is, we all know. It's huge. Over here, 5 Shriekers, the Neutron Star 3-pack, and some HS2 Strikers, and these are, I can't read, 167 grams. Ridiculous. The Lethal Duos and the Brocade War. That's a big, they're big 2-packs. $180 grams. I'm a shit cameraman. I'm not opening that, just have a look. We've even got the traditional Warhawks down there, because you need Warhawks. More punch, just on standby. Fuck, I'm stuck. Jeez, So now I just need to measure some fuse, so I can link them together. We should be good. Ooh, more Predators. Gosh. Don't tell Sky, she'll kill me. I'm gonna go and play with the Reapers and the Punch tonight and compare them. See which one's the better one. This house is a... Al Qaeda would love this house. Plenty of toys.